Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Live Translate on the Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So first of all, you will go into settings, then you will go into system, then you will go into Live Translate here and make sure that you have enabled Live Translate. Then you can also add languages. So let us go into add a language. So these here are all the different language options which I have. Now do note, not all languages support all the features. So for example, if I go into Dutch, they are telling me it supports messaging and camera. Then if I go into French, it supports messaging, live caption, camera and interpreter mode. Next thing, any language which you want to add, all you have to do is select add language, and that is going to download that specific language for you, and it might take some time, so you have to be patient. Now, once a language has been downloaded, you will get a toggle beside it as well to enable or disable it. And in case you want to remove a specific language, tap on that language, and here it is. You have the option to remove the language along with all the features which are supported by this specific language for live translate. Now, once you've downloaded a language which supports messaging, if you are communicating with somebody who's talking in that specific language, you will get the option of translating to English or whatever language you have chosen to translate to. And the best part is, they will see it in French, you will see it in English, and even if you are using Google Assistant to dictate what you are trying to send via a message, that will also be translated to that specific language. The next place where you can use Live Translate on your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is interpreter mode. So let us say you are in some other country, you do not speak their language, but you want to communicate with somebody. How do you do that? Well, all you need to do is invoke the assistant and then you say interpreter mode.
Sure. What language do you want translated?
There it is. You can see it is asking me what language we want translated in. So we are going to select a language.
Got it. Hindi. Let's start.
Hey, how are you?
अरे आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ, आप बताओ आप कैसे हो?
I'm fine. Tell me, how are you?
I'm also good. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong.
मैं भी अच्छा हूँ, कुछ गलत नहीं है, कोई खराबी नहीं.
बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है, बहुत खुशी हुई ये सुन के.
It's a wonderful thing. I am very happy to hear that.
Awesome dope feature from Google, right? The next place where you can use the awesome capabilities of your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro with Live Translate is for translating text. So again, let us say you are in a foreign country, you have some road sign or you have some menu, you do not understand their language. What do? Well, you go to your Pixel 7, go to the camera application. Herein, scroll all the way to the modes section, then go into lens. On the bottom left, you will see translate. So we scroll over to translate and bam, there it is. You can see it is translating it from French to English. Now, in case you do not have an active internet connection, no worries. As long as you have downloaded the specific language pack, you can do this offline as well without an active internet connection. And last but not the least, you can use Live Translate on your Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro with live caption as well. So for starters, we need to make sure that live caption is enabled. Now, what do? You go into settings. Once you're in settings, herein you can search for live. Once you search for live, you should get live captions. Tap on that option, go into live caption and enable the feature of live caption. Next thing we are going to do is we will go to YouTube and open any video. So here it is, we are on YouTube. Let us say we want to translate this specific video to French. Now, once you have enabled live caption, it will appear in a floating window. So here it is. This is your live caption in English. Tap on this floating window, tap on the three dot menu on the right hand side. Then say translate captions. Now, when you do it for the first time, you will have English selected over here. So all you need to do is change the language to whatever language you want to translate. In my case, let us say French, select done, and then choose one of these three options at the bottom. Ask to translate, automatically translate English, or don't translate English, and then select done. Once that is done, bam, there it is. You can see that the live captions are now in French. Easy peasy and awesome, great features by Google on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro, and Live Translate is definitely a great feature.